Hey everyone, waving hand, welcome back to English Talks podcast, where learning English becomes fun, real, and full of emotions. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emma. United States Today's episode is one of the most useful conversations you'll ever learn. Backhand index pointing right, tell me about yourself. The classic question you'll face in job interviews, schools, or even when making new friends.
Exactly. And don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll not only understand how to answer this question confidently. You'll also practice with us like real native speakers, smiling face with sunglasses.
So grab your coffee, hot beverage, sit back, and let's begin this exciting conversation journey together.
Emma, tell me about yourself. Sounds simple, but many learners freeze when they hear it.
Yes. The trick is to give a short, clear, and interesting answer. Think of it like a mini story about you. Backhand index pointing right, who you are. Backhand index pointing right, what you do. Backhand index pointing right, and something personal that makes you memorable.
Let's give an example. If someone asks me, tell me about yourself, I'd say, hi, I'm Ryan. I'm from Chicago. I work as a content creator and language coach. I love helping people speak English with confidence. In my free time, I play guitar and travel to new cities.
Perfect. Short, natural, and personal, direct hit.
Okay, your turn, Emma.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm originally from New York. I'm a teacher and podcast host. I'm passionate about storytelling and making language learning exciting. On weekends, I love baking and hiking.
See? No complicated vocabulary, just real, human conversation.
Now, let's explore how you can answer this question in different situations.
Job interview example. Ryan, interviewer. So Emma, tell me about yourself.
Thank you for having me. My name is Emma. I'm a teacher with 5 years of experience. I love creating creative lessons and connecting with my students. I'm excited to bring my skills to your school.
Notice how she focused on experience and skills. Perfect for interviews. Making new friends.
Emma, new friend. Hey, so tell me a bit about yourself.
Hey. I'm Ryan. I love making videos and meeting new people. I recently started learning Spanish, so I totally understand what it's like to learn a new language.
Friendly, simple, and open, that's how you build a connection. Red heart.
First day at school/college. Ryan, teacher, tell us a bit about yourself.
Emma, student. Hi everyone. My name's Emma. I'm from New York. I love reading mystery novels and playing volleyball. I'm super excited to make new friends here.
That's a great way to leave a positive first impression.
Alright listeners, now it's your turn. We want you to say your own "tell me about yourself" out loud with us.
We'll give you a few seconds after each prompt. Ready? Backhand index pointing right first, say your name and where you're from. Now say what you do or study. Finally, share one fun or personal fact about yourself.
Awesome. Clapping hands, you just gave your first real answer. Don't worry if it wasn't perfect, the goal is to get comfortable.
Practice this daily, and you'll sound more natural in no time.
We want to hear from you. Microphone. Backhand index pointing right, record yourself answering "tell me about yourself" and tag us on Instagram or comment below.
Or even better, write your answer in the YouTube comments and we'll give feedback on your English smiling face with sunglasses.
Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future conversations.
Today we learned how to turn a simple question into a powerful conversation starter.
Exactly. Whether it's a job interview, a new friend, or a classroom, this one answer can make a big difference.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, your story matters. United States sparkles.
We'll see you next time on English Talks Podcast. Bye everyone. Waving hand.
Good morning, everyone. Sun with face. Welcome back to English Talks podcast, where learning English feels as natural as your daily coffee hot beverage. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emma. United States. Today's topic is something we all have in common, our daily routine house.
From waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, we'll take you through real native phrases Americans use every day.
And you'll practice with us step by step. By the end, you'll be able to describe your daily routine like a native speaker. Smiling face with sunglasses sparkles.
Alright, Emma, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do?
Well, when my alarm rings, I usually hit the snooze button. Sleeping face, just 5 more minutes, you know?
Same here. After that, I get out of bed and stretch a little. It really wakes me up.
Then I head to the bathroom to wash my face, brush my teeth, and sometimes take a quick shower.
Exactly. Then I make my bed. It's a small habit, but it makes my room look clean instantly.
After that, I usually prepare breakfast. Cooking, sometimes just coffee and toast, sometimes eggs if I'm not in a rush.
And while having breakfast, I check my phone, read some messages, or listen to the newspaper. Memo: useful morning phrases. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get ready for the day. I make my bed. I grab a quick breakfast. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Okay, morning is done. White heavy check mark. Now let's talk about the daytime routine.
I usually leave the house around 8:30 a.m. to go to work. Automobile. If you're a student, you might head to school or college.
Once I arrive at work, I check my emails, plan my tasks, and then start teaching my classes. Woman school.
If you're working in an office, you might say, backhand index pointing right, I work from 9 to 5. Backhand index pointing right, I attend meetings. Backhand index pointing right, I take short breaks during the day.
At lunchtime, I usually eat with my coworkers. We often grab sandwiches or salads. Green salad.
After lunch, I get back to work and focus on my projects. I try not to check social media too much. Grinning face with sweat.
Same here. And when the workday is over, I pack up my things and head back home.